Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how long does it take for the Insta360 Go Ultra to charge. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their Insta360 Go Ultra, and you're wondering how long does it actually take to charge. Now, there's two components to the Insta360 Go Ultra. You have the standalone camera, which is this magnetically attached camera here, and then you also have the housing kit, which is located right over here as well. The housing kit or the action pod. The standalone camera, this takes about 20 minutes to charge. All right. But keep in mind the action pod will actually go ahead and charge your standalone camera. And the action pod, from my experience, takes about 30 to 40 minutes to charge. So in total, I'd say around 20 to 40 minutes of charge will go ahead and charge your Insta360 Go Ultra. In my opinion, it's actually rather fast compared to other cameras that I've used, and I'm actually pretty happy that it charges so quickly. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain how long does it take for the Insta360 Go Ultra to charge. If you guys have any other questions, let me know in the comments down below.